We just turned Siemens LOGO into the ultimate hotel room controller. All Automata introduces Chameleon Plus, a no-code hotel automation platform that transforms Siemens LOGO into a powerful GRMS with full KNX integration. 40 to 70% more economic than native KNX, while using Siemens hardware. Open protocol with KNX. And Modbus RTU requires only basic KNX knowledge. Generates simple instructions to program LOGO unit and all KNX files to bring it into ETS. Just add your extra KNX devices per room. A true chameleon that adapts to your project. Modbus only mode or full KNX. A true fit for 3 or 5-star hotels. From 8 inputs/4 outputs, up to 16 inputs/12 outputs. LOGO runs out of I/O. Just add any KNX device. Chameleon Plus comes packed with a full software suite, the toolbox. The two main software are Chameleon Plus Configurator for designing rooms and Project Planner for making a full hotel project out the room templates. You can work seamlessly between the two software, but let's assume you first want to create the hotel structure in Project Planner. We can create a new hotel project. Enter a name for your project. Select protocols for the rooms. Set number of rooms. Select how many different room types you have. Configure all the room types. Once finished, just build your hotel structure. We get a familiar view, like Buildings panel in ETS. We can add buildings, floors, corridors, and rooms in bulk or one by one. Having built the hotel structure, we just declare some options about KNX topology and line formation, bundling of the Weinziel 716 TCP Modbus KNX gateway, and the allocation of IP address pool. Project Planner will allow for dynamic allocation of IP addresses in KNX Modbus gateways, KNX IP routers, and LOGO units. It will also create guides for LOGO network projects, print key labels for LOGO units, allocate physical address to KNX devices, and calculate a detailed bill of materials. Room design is carried out in Chameleon Plus Configurator software. Project Planner and Chameleon Plus Configurator share a common project library that is dynamically shared between the two programs. We can open a project from Project Planner to design the rooms, or start a project in the configurator and then continue working in Planner. In the configurator, we can alter the room settings or configuring them in greater detail, such as the connection to a PMS software or selecting a card holder with 2 outputs. The room design is very simple and intuitive, carried out in natural language, text. All we have to do is set the inputs, meaning the push buttons, and the outputs, such as lighting circuits, power loads, etc. 2 different views are available, a table and a detail view. We can navigate freely back and forth between the 2 views in order to complete our room design. Table view is better suited for an overview of the design, while detail view is more intuitive for setting parameters in specific inputs/outputs. Great attention is given in making the software user-friendly. A content-driven dynamic tutorial mode is available to assist the user with the configuration without having to consult the otherwise detailed manual. Additionally, the software offers robust error checking, both available in manual and automatic mode. When we are satisfied with our room design, we can navigate to the Scenes tab. This is the same concept of scenes we are familiar with from KNX. In this tab, we just have to declare if the LOGO output set as lighting circuits are on, designated with a plus sign, off, designated with a minus sign, or not participating in a scene, left blank. Competing Scenes tab concludes the room design. The software also produces a connection diagram for our room configuration. Accessing the Sensors tab allows us to see an overview of our sensors, push buttons, and choose a finish/frame for the rendering of the push buttons. We can also access the Cables tab, where all the data control cables for LOGO are calculated, and choose the desired color coding. We can now compile and export the project. All screens will be printed. Except from the screens, various engineering artifacts are produced, like Modbus address space, a logo diagram file with simple text instructions for programming the logo unit, a test sheet for all room functions, and full ETS files along with group addresses.